My name is Serhiy Bondarenko. I am the co-founder of BPS Knives. Today I want to introduce you to another one of our knives, the BS1FT, but this time made of stainless steel. Does the knife have the same compact size and the same geometric features as the regular BS1FT made of carbon steel? But the blade of this knife, made from 5414 MAF steel, has a thicker spine and a different blade finish. That is satin finish. The overall length of the knife is 200 millimeters source. Blade width is 20 millimeter, blade length is 95 millimeters, handle length is 105 millimeters, spine thickness is about 3 millimeter, knife weight is 80 grammars, and the weight of the knife with the sheath is 120 grams. The blade, hardened to a hardness of 5657 HRC, has a Scandi grind, which will also allow you to work well with wood. The handle of the knife is made from walnut wood. It is also secured with 2 rivets. Thanks to its ergonomic design, the knife will be an excellent assistant on a hike, fishing or hunting. The knife comes with a leather sheath made from natural leather, glued and stitched with thread. The sheath has one suspension option. This is a rigid suspension. Choose for yourself the BPS Knives knife and let the adventure begin.